This is the lovely Perrier Lake, जहाँ पर we will come and explore. We will do boating, and I spotted a lot of monkeys here. This is a beautiful scenic view for sure.
Hello viewers, we are just beside the Perrier boating lake.
Yeah, it's a lovely view for sure.
To my right is the Perrier Tiger Reserve.
Yeah, right side is the reserve, Tiger
the bay.
Reserve. And this is the bay where you can wait. It's the waiting area. Well, just look at this. Just look at the serenity. Look at the, what would I say, the feel, the vibe, the sort of atmosphere, the environment will surely make you to take this, boat ride and enjoy this. And this is why we've come to Thekedi to enjoy this beautiful boat ride. And the weather is so very pleasant, right? So if you have to come to Thekedi, this is a must visit, and per ticket will cost you around 500. Yes, per person it's 500. So I think it's worth it, to visit a place so beautiful like this.
And we'll get to travel in the boat for like 1.5 hours.
Okay, so that is a decent amount of time. When 1.5 hours we'll be roaming around. This is lovely. Beautiful Perrier Lake here at Thekedi for all my YouTube viewers. There's so much of sunshine and greenery all around. It's looking really beautiful and amazing in the afternoon. For all my YouTube viewers, आप लोगों को दिखा दे यहाँ पर दो जो नाव आ रहे हैं, इसी नाव पे चढ़ के हम अब हमारी बोटिंग का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो अभी मतलब फील करने वाले हैं. It looks lovely. I have also spotted a lot of deers out there. My viewers can also see there in the right hand side. And here comes our boat. We are all ready to explore the Perrier boat ride. Finally viewers, I'm all set to explore Perrier boating. आपको दिखा दूँ यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ लगी हुई है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, and it's such a beautiful sight, such a beautiful place to visit, and I am totally excited and totally into Kerala and Thekedi at the moment. So come along and explore with us. Such is the beauty of Kerala. कल हम जाएंगे बैकवाटर्स एक्सप्लोर करने, और फिलहाल अभी हम है पेरियर में, पेरियर लेक एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थेकेडी में. और आपको दिखा दे, ये बस एक लग रहा है कि जैसे कोई एक मतलब क्या बोले, इट्स अ पिक्चर, मैंने इट्स लैंडस्केप, मैंने इट्स अ डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फीलिंग, वॉलपेपर, मतलब आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, आई एम एट लॉस फॉर वर्ड्स, बट जस्ट लुक एट इट. इजंट दिस ट्रूली अमेजिंग? Such a beautiful sight, and I've spotted a lot of deers out here. Just look at this. This is lovely. When you actually get to spot something in such a nice ride, it becomes all the more memorable. So yeah, this I'm leaving for all my YouTube viewers. Just look at this. We are lucky enough to have spotted some of them. Alright, for all my YouTube viewers, finally we've started the much awaited ride at the Perrier River, and this looks so serene and so beautiful. It's definitely a very huge lake, and it will take us 2 hours to cover this, but I just thought I'll quickly show you all some portions of it so that you can understand what Kerala is all about. It's not just about Alleppey and the backwaters and Kovalam. You also have so many things to explore in Thekedi, and this is something that you must certainly opt for. And in the afternoon time, it's looking all the more beautiful, all the more what would I say, serene, and we're loving every bit of it. Such beautiful sight continues. It's a 2-hour ride for us, and so I thought little bits and pieces I will show you all. This is absolutely blissful evening time, just and sometime there'll be sunset, and it becomes all the more beautiful during sunset. Just look at it. We are completely enjoying this lovely view. The boat ride is definitely a must try when you come down to Kerala, rather, especially in Thekedi Islands. Well, we are very lucky to have spotted a trunk of elephants here at the moment who have come to drink water. Just look at it. Huge number of elephants. Now our boat seems to be taking a U-turn and we will head back to the place from where we have started. It was definitely a memorable boat ride, I would say. We spotted many wild animals, and yeah, I mean, if had we spotted a tiger, it would have been bonus, but unfortunately we could not spot any tiger. Nevertheless, a decent tour, I would say, to Thekidi overall. All my viewers, luckily we spotted some more bisons, which I'd like to show you all. Just look at this.